Without context, nothing works. A translation can be accurate but still feel wrong. Maybe the terminology is fine, the grammar is correct, but the tone feels off and the brand voice disappears. Plus, the same accurate translation may be judged by one linguist as terrible and by another as decent. So, what's happening here? The answer is usually buried in a file that no one can find, or it doesn't exist at all. It's the style guide. A style guide almost always answers all the questions about preferred tone, style, and wording. The problem is it's never been connected to your translation workflow until now. Today I will show you Style Guides, a new native feature in Crowdin and Crowdin Enterprise. It's not just a place to store your brand guidelines, it's an active part of your translation workflow, and it works together with Crowdin Copilot, serves as a benchmark for automated QA checks, and provides real-time suggestions in the editor to make sure that every string is consistent, on brand, and correct. You can find style guides in your left side menu. It's a native feature, so you don't need to install anything. You have two ways to get started. First, generate with AI. Here you can describe your brand voice, your target audience, your product category, and Crowdin will build a complete professional style guide for you from scratch. It's great if you are starting from zero. Here I will describe the product as marketing copy for a wellness app. The tone should be warm and motivating. I need an informal register and the audience are adults who want a healthier lifestyle. I'm also explaining my gender neutrality rule and shortly say how to handle creative content. In a few seconds, Crowdin generates a complete style guide covering tone of voice, terminology, formatting rules, and what to avoid. You can review and edit every section before saving. Finally, select projects where this style guide will be applied. Alternatively, if you already have a local style guide, you can upload your files here. If your team has invested years in building brand guidelines, don't start over. Upload them directly here. A style guide in Crowdin is not a static document. Once you set it up, it becomes an active part of your workflow in three ways. First, you can use it for AI pre-translation prompts. The style guide is automatically fed into your AI pre-translation context. So when the AI pipeline runs, such as here, it translates with your brand voice, your rules, and your terminology. You can also use it as real-time suggestions in the editor. Translators and reviewers will see live feedback as they work. If a string deviates from the style guide, they will know immediately. You can use your style guide for automated AI QA checks as well. Your style guide becomes the benchmark for quality assurance. Every string is checked for on-brand compliance automatically. Now let's bring in Crowdin Copilot. It's the AI agent built natively into Crowdin. Copilot is available in the editor, in your project, and at the organization level. It already knows what you're looking at. I'll ask Copilot to check if the translation is compliant with the style guide. It is thinking, it found some issues, and it suggests the corrected version. To correct my translation, I'm switching from ask to task, and the new translation shows up in the editor. This time it's compliant with my style guide. I can also ask Copilot to run pre-translation for a Polish mobile string with our style guide applied. The task agent plans its steps, shows me exactly what it's about to do, and asks for confirmation before it takes an action. Everything is automated, but you are in control. My style guide included this idiom, so Copilot found it and applied the right translation. What does all of this give you? You can keep consistency at scale. Your style guide travels with every string across every file and in every language. You can keep consistency between files and between translators. There's also less back and forth. Translators see guidance in the moment, not after the review. QA can catch style issues automatically before they become too time-consuming or too expensive to fix. You will also get better AI output. You don't need perfect prompts. All you need is to upload your style guide so the model knows what good looks like for your brand. And finally, you gain one source of truth. Instead of a PDF that no one reads, your style guide is embedded directly in the workflow, ready to be used by linguists and by AI. Style guides are available now in Crowdin and Crowdin Enterprise. If you already have a guide, upload it today. If you don't have one, let Crowdin generate it for you and see how the context changes everything.